I recently moved, and one of the things that one does when they change cities or addresses is update their addresses for all the places that they have mail coming. Now, one thing is I had my address listed in the description box of over 750 videos, and I want to show you how TubeBuddy saved me hours and hours, probably if not years of time. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and I go by Shelly Saves the Day. On this channel, we talk about YouTube explained simply and video editing made easy. If that sounds good to you, I hope you will stick around and be part of the online fam. Now, when I did move recently, I needed to update my address, and one of the things that we've learned historically is that when you need to update something in the video description of a YouTube video, it can on average take 2 to 3 minutes for you to get to the right video, go to the description, change and amend what you need to update, and then save it. So because I had a good 700 plus videos with descriptions, one can imagine that if we did the calculation, I don't even know what that would be. It would be a lot. So one tool that really helped me out was the TubeBuddy Find Replace Append tool in their bulk editing section. Now you do need to be on the Legend version of TubeBuddy to use this tool. And one thing is, if you've never signed up for TubeBuddy and you want to try it out, I also have a link in the description for a trial as well as a discount, as long as it still works, down below, link below. Now, I want to show you how I did this, so let's go ahead and get into the computer. You can get to this section many different ways, but the main way that I did is I'm going into the bulk and miscellaneous tools across the main section of your YouTube video. And once you select that, you're going to see a box, and we're going with the Find Replace Append tool. So if you're just looking for a specific thing, have I ever mentioned this somewhere? You can look for that. If you're looking for a find and replace, pretty explanatory. If you want to see something and then add something to the end of it, that is also where you can do the append. So for me, I needed to go in, and where my address was for people to mail me things, I wanted to update it from a previous address to my new address. One thing I should also mention too is that this is not my home address. So for anyone who's worried, one, don't be. And I also would recommend for any creator to always have some sort of mailbox where you can have mail that doesn't have to be attached to your personal home office. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you what I was looking for is any of the videos that had the previous address. I not only wanted to find it, but I wanted to exchange out the text. This is what makes the tool inside of TubeBuddy really special, because as opposed to YouTube where you can wipe everything or you can just add something, you can't do a find and replace. That makes this tool special. So you can see here, I'm just selecting, I want to go through all of my videos, and it's going to go search through all of them and see how many times that address has come up. In my instance, it was about 750 times. And then I have already fed in the address that I want to update it to. And all I have to do is hit yes, do it, let's go, and watch it do its thing. In reality, I did walk away and I stopped the screen recording, but trust me, it came back with all of the videos completed, no errors. And so it was great to just walk away, come back, and know that this action had been done in the background. There are many other instances where this tool would be really helpful and beneficial, especially if you are someone who's doing something like perhaps you want to update to the latest video link, perhaps you have a new Instagram or some other social media handle and you really want to add it, or you just signed up for a new social platform and you want to attach it and put it in your description where you might already have others. I mean, really the possibilities are endless as to reasons why you might want to use this tool, but if you are looking to do it, now you know how to. And if this video is helpful for you, I really hope you give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. If there's anything else that you want me to cover, please leave a comment below and I will make a video on it. Bye.